Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV, the channel featuring the prophetic voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's a visionary leader who accurately predicted the future and is now dedicated to liberating Biafrans. The Biafran War was a traumatic period in Nigerian history, resulting in immense loss of life and suffering. Generalizing about entire groups of people can be inspired and educated. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. The channel aims to spread his message of hope and freedom, inspired by Isaiah 42 verse 16 that said, "I will bring the blind by a way they did not know, I will lead them in paths they have not known. I will make darkness light before them, and crooked places straight. These things I will do for them, and not forsake them." Please share, like, and subscribe to support the channel and hear from this influential leader. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
And about 500,000 women and children died in Biafran refugee camps. I survived 2 years in Biafran refugee camps and survived 6 months of bloodbath near the Oguta war front. I survived a war that was described as Africa's bloodiest war. Biafra was located in the southeastern region of Nigeria, West Africa. My family of 7 children lived in 6 refugee camps within Biafra. For 2 years and 3 months, onward of April 1967, my family lived in refugee camps in the Biafran cities of Onitsha, Ogidi, Oba, Oka, Oketiti, and Ndone. Russian Ilyushin bombers and MiG fighters were bombing and strafing our neighborhoods of around 14 Mba Road, Onitsha, Biafra. On my 14th birthday of August 23, 1968, my postal address was Chukura Philip Emeagwali, St. Joseph's Refugee Camp, Oketiti, Biafra, West Africa. On the cover of the Time magazine that was dated August 23, 1968, is an artist's portrait of Colonel Ojukwu, the leader of Biafra. The cover story of that issue of Time magazine was titled Biafra's Agony. For us, the agony was real. Half of the refugees at our St. Joseph's refugee camp, Oketiti, Biafra, were living skeletons. My father, Nnameka James Emeagwali, was the live-in refugee camp nurse at St. Joseph's refugee camp. In August 1968, my father told me that half of the children in our refugee camp, including my 2-year-old brother, Peter, had kwashiorkor, a rare malnutrition disease caused by lack of protein. At St. Joseph's refugee camp of Oketiti, Biafra, children and grandparents that did not survive kwashiorkor were buried without funerals and buried at our backyard. In Biafra, meat, pepper, and even salt were almost as scarce as gold. 3 charity organizations, the Red Cross, the Roman Catholic Relief Organization named Caritas, and the World Council of Churches, provided to our refugee camp corn meal, Norwegian dried stockfish named oporoko, and powdered milk. The relief foods were secretly flown into Yuli airstrip of Biafra. That 27-month refugee experience was the reason the United Nations has the portrait of Philip Emeagwali, along with the portraits of the likes of Albert Einstein, in its gallery of refugees who made a difference. In July 1969, and at the banks of the River Niger at Ndone, Biafra, I was conscripted at gunpoint and conscripted as a 14-year-old soldier into a war that was on par with the American Civil War or the Spanish Civil War. Without